So this tutorial is on how to get this joggers elastic waist. I'm passing this rope through it and everything. So I already sewed this and attached the waist already. We're going to pass the elastic through the waist first. So I have my safety pin here. I left an opening already at the back where I'm going to fit my elastic from. Where I'm going to put it from. Okay. So we're just going to do this off camera. So I'm done putting the elastic in. So the next thing we're going to do is just stretch this out to its full elasticity and pin the elastic so it won't move while we're sewing on it. Stretch it out and you pin. So the elastic will be spread evenly across the entire waist. It will be spread evenly. You pin it to keep it in place. So when you stretch this down to the next pin, see that there are no wrinkles. I'm coming. So when you're done pinning it around, you measure this 2 inch. So you sew a 1/4 inch, a little bit more than 1/2 inch, and sew another one here. So there'll be a space in the middle. And when you're joining your waist, please make sure that the front part is where you use this joint part of the waistband. You join it to the front instead of the back. This join in here, this joint part of the waistband, you attach it to the front because this is where we're going to pass our rope through. So take this to your machine and you sew. Let's do that. So I switched the bobbin to elastic thread. Remove the normal thread and put elastic thread. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using white. So while you're sewing, you stretch this out. Make sure it is very smooth, no crease before you sew on it. Start from the up. Don't start from the down, start from the up. Keep stretching it out as you sew. And try as much as possible to maintain a straight line. Using an electric machine to do this kind of makes your work easier because you have both hands available, unlike when using a manual. You're using one hand to operate your machine and using the other one. It's better to use an electric machine. You get a neater result than using a manual machine. So the first part is done. Then you go down, giving the same space that you gave up here. Same process, just stretch and sew. You can start taking out your pins because you already held the elastic together with that first stitch. To help move it through the presser foot, you can try pulling from this back here. As you're sewing, pull it a bit to help him move. So this is what we have here after running the thread through it. This space here, this is where you're going to pass your rope through. So you're going to just use a seam ripper or a razor blade to open this up. So once you have this open, we're going to pass our rope through that hole. This is the rope I'm using. Use your safety pin. If you have a smaller safety pin, that's best because this big one always gives me issues most of the time. That's how to achieve an elastic waistband.